Meaning of First World.
First world.
First World.
First world.
First world. First world is a term used to describe developed, industrialized countries with capitalist economies, political stability, and high standards of living. This term originated during the Cold War, where countries aligned with the United States and NATO were considered First World while those aligned with the Soviet Union were considered Second World. Today, the term is used more broadly to refer to countries with advanced economies and social structures. However, it has been criticized for its oversimplification and disregard for the complex issues faced by these countries and their citizens.